Hello, this is Catherine from Accelerated Reader, reading books for you. Today, I will be reading The Dance-o-saurus, The Dancing Dinosaurs, by Jacqui Shepherd. Before I begin reading, I would like to give a big thanks to the author for sending me this book to read on my channel. In the description below, I've included links where you may find and purchase this book. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The Dinosaurs are brother and sister, hatched at exactly the same time. Twistosaurus likes to twist. Wiggleosaurus likes to wiggle, and they both love to dance. Together, Twistosaurus and Wiggleosaurus are always learning new dance moves. There is a dance walk, and a dance run, a dance jump, and a dance turn. There are dance kicks, high kicks, low kicks, kicks to the side, kicks to the front, and kicks to the back. They even have a special dance sit and a dance stand. Twistosaurus and Wiggleosaurus like dancing to the beats of music, and they like dancing without any music at all. When Twistosaurus twists, Wiggleosaurus wiggles. Twist, twist, wiggle, wiggle. Spinning or leaping, moving fast or slow. Up or down, they can never get enough of dancing. It makes them very happy. They dance their way to bed at night, and they dance their way out of bed in the morning. They dance when they are brushing their teeth, and they dance when they are getting dressed. They dance their way out the door, and they dance while they wait in line. They can do every kind of dance you can think of, and they love them all. Sometimes they put on a dance show for all the other dinosaurs, and afterward, all the dinosaurs join them in a happy dinosaur wiggle and twist. The end. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the description below, I've included links where you may find and purchase this book. Thank you again to the author for sending me this book to read on my channel. Other books in the Delightful Dino series: Syngosaurus, Rhedosaurus, Rhinosaurus, Rhinosaurus.